Okay, here's the Dwarf Polar Blue Parrot cichlid. These are the babies just born within the last last week, sorry. And there's Mama on the right, Big Papa there, and trying to catch the babies. They're now free swimming. So those are the newest babies, and then on the other side of the tank, these guys are about 2 weeks old, just ahead of the other ones. And that's proud Papa. And there, Mama there. Look how colorful she is. Beautiful, huh? Hard to get to. Can't get a good focus. Anyways, that's the baby update of the Polar Blue Parrot cichlids. I have 4 mature mated adults. Here's another pair for sale. The female on the right, male on the left. Contact me on Kijiji. Anyways, thanks for watching.